Hey guys, great afternoon, great morning, great lunchtime, whatever time it is for you. Check this out. I have one secret that a lot of people do not know because car salesmen or car dealerships a lot of times won't really tell you this. So I'm going to tell you this. Pause. Let me put my introduction in there. All right, I'm back, and as you know, I'm Jacob Abbott, still the only car sales professional you'll ever need in Colorado Springs, Colorado. Listen, shh, be quiet, hush. Tell the kids to be quiet because Mama and Papa needs to hear this tip that Jacob's gonna give them. Shh, hush, don't worry, I'll wait. Thank you. Get them. Listen, a lot of people don't know that when they go to buy a vehicle, they don't have to buy it the first day. One thing they can do is ask the dealership or the car salesman to allow them to take the vehicle overnight or for a few hours to ensure they like it. This actually helps you throughout the process of not feeling like you made a bad or wrong decision. So, coming to see me, you like, Jacob, hey, I want to come see you today at, let's say, 12 p.m., which would be great. Got an availability at that time. But I digress. You say, hey, Jacob, I want to come see you at 12 o'clock today. And I say, cool. You come, check out the vehicle. Hey, Jacob, you know what? I want to take it for a few hours to ensure that it fits in my driveway, ensure that it fits in my garage, ensure that my wife loves it or my husband loves it or it fits my kids or it fits my dog. You know, and then once you take that vehicle, what I want you to do seriously is drive that vehicle on the freeway, the city roads, you know, take it up the mountains if that's something that you typically do with that vehicle to ensure that it fits with your lifestyle 100% for what you're looking for that vehicle to do. Aside from that, it will help you make your decision and you will not feel like, did I make the right decision? Was it a bad decision? You know what I mean? Right, exactly. And the tip for today or for this video is you have the opportunity to take the vehicle for a few hours or overnight. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget, I'm here to help you.